Can a $13 Nikon lens still create professional photos in 2026? Yesterday, I found the Nikon 50mm f1.8D while searching for a hidden camera gear. I only paid for $13 for it. And today, we're going to find out if this cheap lens still deserves a place in a photographer's camera bag. But here's the interesting part. I'm not testing it on the Nikon camera. I'm mounting it on the most legendary DSLRs ever made, the Fujifilm S5 Pro. If you've been following this channel, you already know I love hunting for forgotten camera gear. Some people buy the newest equipment. I enjoy finding hidden gems that most people overlook. Yesterday, I came across this Nikon 50mm f1.8D just for $13. For a lens that famous among Nikon's photographers, this price immediately caught my attention. So I bought it. The question is, did I get a bargain or did I just waste my money? This is the Nikon AF Nikkor 50mm f1.8D, also known as the famous Nifty 50. For years, photographers have recommended this lens because it's lightweight, sharp, affordable, and has bright f1.8 aperture. Even today, many professionals still keeps one in their camera bag. Instead of using a Nikon DSLR, I wanted to do something different. This is the Fujifilm S5 Pro, a camera that may be old but is still respected for one reason: its incredibly color science and beautiful skin tones. Many photographers still consider it one of the Fujifilm's best digital cameras for portrait photography. To really see what this combination can do, I'm heading into the studio. Today's lighting setup is the Godox SK400II-V. This studio flash gives consistent lighting, making it easier to judge the lens sharpness, contrast, and color. For today's shoot, here's my setup: the Fujifilm S5 Pro, the Nikkor 50 f1.8D, the Godox SK400II-V. Let's start shooting. The autofocus is working, the lens feels smooth, and the first image already looked very promising. Looking at these photos, I honestly impressed. For a lens that only cost me $13, it's producing sharp images, beautiful background blur, and excellent contrast. Then there's a Fujifilm S5 Pro. The colors, especially the skin tones, still have the unique Fuji look that photographers continue to love. So, was this Nikon 50mm f1.8D worth buying for only $13? Without a doubt, yes. Sometimes the best camera gear isn't the newest or the most expensive. It's the gear that still performs long after everyone has forgotten about it. And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Siquijor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Siquijor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Siquijor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Siquijor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Would you buy a 50mm lens for just $13? Or have you ever found an amazing camera deal yourself? I'm Rafi Sam Steele, and remember, I don't chase trends, I use what it works.